What is phosphorus and what does it do? Phosphorus is the second most required mineral in our body after calcium and is found in every cell. Role in the body. Helps us absorb nutrients from food. Helps maintain the correct acidity of our blood. Assists in forming and regulating cells. Necessary for correct muscle action. Assists in nerve action. Assists in the forming of and healthy maintenance of our bones and teeth. Too little, or wrong ratio to calcium. Malformed bones and teeth and stunted growth in children. Weakened bones and teeth. Gum disease. Osteoporosis. Arthritis, gout. Low energy, muscle weakness, nervous disorders. Too much, over 1,000 milligrams daily. Can impair absorption of other minerals. Diarrhea.